If you need to know how to email your students through Canvas, this will go directly to your students and it's just another way to contact. You're going to go on the left-hand side to your inbox. Up here, you're going to have compose a new message. You can select a course, so go into your favorite course, which is whatever course you're working on. In the address button, you can click, you can send it to everyone in your course. That includes any teachers or observers, like parents, or you can send it just to your students. If you only want to send it to one student, you can choose just one student. You can also just type their name in and choose them, or you can actually just send it to all the students in your course. So that way you can send each individual a message. You type your email and then hit send. You can also, in case you're interested, you can record your email message. If you want to record a video, if you want to record just your audio, you can do that here. And it will save it for you and put it right in the body. You can also upload a file if you have a file that you want them to look at. And then when you're done, you hit send and they can respond back to you right here in Canvas. Those messages will also show up in Microsoft Office, but they tend to be a little bit later than in here. So if you're working in Canvas, you can see them pop up really quickly. Hope that helps.